Who's this little fellow? Can you see him? Let's get out of the house while there's still some sunshine. Táin gíomhra an san Austral here. It's winter in Western Australia. You're invited. Come have a look. Táin saoire an in Erin. Ní dhearna mé germad mi sean faoi Rosnarún. Ach, idís an dálín. Tá mé dul amach. Agus is féidir liv Jamtree Gully a eicáil. Tá mé mo chónaí san áit seo le John agus le Tim le 6 bliana déag. Tá sé 100 kilometr ó fearr. Tá mé dul amach. Dús doras scáileán mar tá go leor cuileog agus muiscítí san Austral hir. Jam trees. Cad é seo in Gaeilge? Cosan crochta. Steep path, or in this case, driveway. Tá John an freisin ina Shannaday.
Mine loving my work clobber.
Yeah.
My work clobber.
Barna Chine. Firebreak. Ferwer sa ghíomhre. Tá sé fuair inniuh ach tá sé geal. Níl sé dorcha. I duine ag in a lábhach in aice laive ars maidin ní mála mé. Cad é seo? Rinnean coinín é. Agus branagí, arc, a bobtail. Ní gnách sin sa ghíomhre. Níl sé éasca ar eicáil. Agus an seo, Ballardong agus Yued seagán. Bíonn na gata dunta gach ihe. Tá mé a dul anuas a ríist. Tá níise a titim, agus tá gata dunta anis. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Jamtree Gully. Night is falling now. Why not write in the comments and tell me where you are in the world, whether you're in the northern summer or down under like me, and what it's like for you at the moment. Please have a look at some other videos on my channel to continue learning Irish along with me. I can't teach it to you, but I can share what I'm learning as I go. See you in the next videos.